Connected learning is a way to approach education. At Lasell, it means that you're practicing what you're studying. So in the classroom, you're looking at a collaborative team process, you're looking at a problem-solving process. It's a hands-on approach to learning. The other component that's really important to us is that students get to really work in the field. And so while some people will look at an internship as that opportunity, Lasell goes way beyond that. So we work very hard to incorporate everyday working situations into the classroom experience. So service learning at Lasell takes a lot of different forms. There are many students who participate on a regular weekly basis in service learning programs in and around the area here and in and out of Boston. They've been all over the world performing service learning, and it really helps them again understand what the world is like around them and how they can help change the world.
So connected learning is really nice because you learn a lot in like the textbooks, but then you actually get to go experience that in the real world in terms of you get to go right on the T to Boston and go to like the State House.
Connected learning gives you that opportunity within the classroom, but the internship takes you out of the classroom and puts you in that working experience.